Zero, 600 million, uqhamukaphi? All of this for just one day of protesting. And understand the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. Asiqale. Let's go back asibuyele emuva to the very beginning. Do you remember when I told you ukuthi khona something ekuthiwa i-United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, and umsebenzi wabo is to protect ama-refugees, ama-undocumented immigrants. Understand ukuthi bona they help with legal assistance, refugee documentation, child protection, education support, healthcare, yonke lento I mentioned it. Kukhona namanye, there are others just like i-International Organization for Migration and others engeke ngiwasho because izosuswa le video. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama, and remember ukuthi ngo-2025 i-UNHCR yanika i-South Africa imali engango-33 million, that is about u-600 million rands. Leyo mali was meant ukuthi i-South Africa ivule amabhoda angena ama-refugees and i-South Africa to support lawo ma-refugees. And understand, ngomhla ka-22 June 2026, i-South Africa received u-600 million. It's just that this time sesiyazi ukuthi imali iqhamukaphi, akufani na last year. Loyo 600 million owani, allegedly it is to deploy additional police officers to identify hotspots across provinces, overtime pay, operational cost, transport, accommodation, public order, policing, working with security agencies. Konke lokho, they are saying u-600 million is for this. Imali ingenile, ama-orders akhishiwe, now they need to make sure that umuntu omnyama stops lento yakhe yokuphazamisa umsebenzi, and so the real game begins. Obvious bayayifuna le mali, but ukuze bayithathe they have to make it look real on paper. That means every payment will appear legitimate, every invoice will have supporting documents, every transaction will comply with ama-procedures adingelayo, but at the end of the day imali will end up in their pockets. Now that imali sifikile, obviously they are gonna divide it amongst themselves, benze sure ukuthi everyone gets ikhathi and umuntu omnyama angaboni ukuthi lokho kuyenzeka. Once imali sebehlukaniselene yona, they will try to introduce ama-distractions to make sure that you forget ukuthi zolo lokhu you are fighting uthi abahambe. Understand ukuthi new political debates will emerge, entertainment, ama-distractions go-social media, entertainment ka-sports, ama-distractions, i-economy kuzoba khona something eyenzekalayo. They will be ama-distractions that will make sure ukuthi wena you forget, and slowly kancane you will revert back to normal life, ukhohlwe ukuthi hayibo kade ngithi abahambe. Khona abazokhokhelwa to make sure that you forget, khona abazokhokhelwa to make sure that kuba khona ama-trend that will make you ube distracted. And of course, kuzoshaya insuku zokuvota mase siyahamba siyovotela isitha. After that, the system continues as usual because it always happens. Siya protest, imali ingene, then they divide imali amongst themselves. They make sure ukuthi they distract umuntu omnyama khona umuntu omnyama ezokhohlwa, iqhubeka isystem.